Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will show you how to create subtitles like MrBeast. He uses this subtitle style in every video. So today I'll show you how you can also create the same like him. You can easily create these subtitles using Filmora. If you don't have Filmora, try Filmora today. I mentioned the link in the description below. So here we're in Wondershare Filmora. Firstly, go to the titles section. For now, I'm selecting the default title because I'll animate it on my own. Drag and drop it onto your timeline. Now reduce its length. Firstly, we need to change the title text, so I simply wrote MrBeast. And now let's change the font. MrBeast uses the Comica Axis font, which is free and can be easily found on Google. I have also included a link in the description for your convenience. For now, I'm going with white color. Now let's arrange this text to add mid. For that, click on this advanced button. And here we have alignment options. Just click on this mid one and our text will be in the mid. Now just drag a little bit. And here we have outlines. Just enable it and change its color to black. You can also choose any other color that suits your original text color. Once you are done with it, just hit apply. As you can see, this will make your text look similar to that of MrBeast. Now it's time to add a bounce animation in the text. For making this bounce effect, I'll use the keyframes technique, which is super fast and easy at the same time. First, select your text and go to the video. Here we have transformed it. Now move your playhead at the beginning of your video, create a keyframe, and change the scale value to 70. Now move 3 or 4 keyframes ahead by pressing your right arrow key and change the scale value to 110. And now again, move 3 or 4 frames ahead and change the scale value to 100. In this way first, text will be smaller, and then it will bounce, and then again it will back to its normal size. This way you can create a bounce effect. Now to save a lot of time, I have a way. All you need to do is make multiple copies of this text layer. By doing so, you can save a lot of time and you don't need to create keyframes again and again. So I have this audio with which I want to make subtitles matched. So here is the subtitle that we created already. Now arrange it up to your audio clip, change each text layer to your desired text. So after all of your hard work, your subtitles will look like this. Creating subtitles like MrBeast is so easy in Filmora. By following these simple steps, you can create animated subtitles like MrBeast using Filmora. So that's all about this video. You can try Filmora for free. The link is mentioned in the description. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.